How to connect your PC to Wi-Fi without using Ethernet cable and adapter using your phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can use phone in order to access Wi-Fi in our PC without using an Ethernet cable and adapter. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your laptop. After opening up your laptop, just connect your USB to your phone as well as laptop. After connected, you can see you need to open up your phone. After opening up your phone, there are simply some steps that you need to follow in order to connect the Wi-Fi. First of all, open up your phone as I said. After that, open up the main settings of your device. After that, go to connections. After going to connection, just go to Wi-Fi and connect to a network that is available to you. After that, after you're connected to Wi-Fi, just get back, and here you'll be able to see mobile hotspot and tethering. Just tap on that option, and here you'll be able to see this USB tethering option. You can enable this option if you have connected your phone to your laptop. After that, simply enable this option. After enabling this option, you can see under that is written sharing this phone's internet connection, which means your phone's internet connection has been shared with the laptop as well. From now onwards, you can use your phone in order to connect internet on your laptop. So therefore, by following the steps, you can connect your phone, you can connect Wi-Fi to your PC without any adapter or any Ethernet cable. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.